In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply vlookup in Microsoft Excel. Vlookup, which stands for vertical lookup, is one of the most useful Excel functions for finding information quickly inside a table. It works by searching for a value in the first column of a table, then returning a related value from another column in the same row. This is especially helpful when you have product lists, employee records, IDs, prices, or any type of organized reference data. To begin, create your data table in Excel. This table should contain the information you want to search through. For example, you might have a list where the first column contains product IDs, the second column contains product names, and the third column contains another related detail, such as price or category. The important thing to remember is that vlookup always searches in the first column of the selected table range, so your lookup value must be located there. Next, create the lookup area. This is the section where you'll type the value you want Excel to search for and where the result will appear. For this example, place the value you want to search in cell F1. Then set aside cell F2 because that is where the formula will go and where the matching result will be displayed. Now, we're going to find the product name. Click on cell F2 and enter this formula exactly as shown, equals vlookup, open parenthesis, F1, comma, A2 colon C6, comma, 2, comma, false, kafal, close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to look at the value in cell F1, search for it in the first column of the range A2 through C6, and then return the value from the second column of that same row. The word false at the end is very important because it tells Excel to find an exact match. In most lookup situations like product IDs or codes, exact match is what you want. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will display the corresponding product name in cell F2, as long as the value in F1 exists in the first column of your table. A helpful tip here is to double check your table range and column number if the result doesn't appear as expected. Also, make sure the lookup value in F1 matches the format used in your table, especially if you are working with numbers stored as text. And that's it. You've successfully used vlookup in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.